We are pleased to show you the 2020 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find HD radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, cloth seat trim. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.